Welcome back, this is Zahir, and as you know by now, we are on a food hunt in the extreme regions of the world, and right now we are in Hunza Valley. We have heard about this place called Yak Grill, and apparently yak is an animal, a beast from the mountains, and its meat is so good that the local people have turned it into steaks, into burgers and whatnot, and today we are going to try that. We are on our way to Pasu, to the Yak Grill, and we're gonna try the very rare meat in the world, the yak meat. And I've never seen a yak before in my life, so let's see what kind of an animal that is. From what I've heard, it's a kind of a beast. Alright, so we're here. Yak Grill. Now we're gonna go into the restaurant and find out what they have. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं सर आप? ठीक ठाक। सर मैं ज़हीर सोले, हमने बहुत दूर से सुना आपके याक ग्रिल का, तो हम आपको ट्राई करने आए हैं आज। तो आपका नाम सर? तारिक साहब, आप हमें बता सकते हैं कि आपके पास क्या क्या अवेलेबल है? बिकॉज़ याक ग्रिल तो नाम हमें पता है, बट उसके अलावा क्या क्या मेन्यू है आपका?
हमारे पास याक मीट में जो बर्गर है, आपको याक ड्राई मिल जाएगा, शोर ड्राई, और
स्टेक्स मिल जाएंगे। सो तकरीबन जो भी मीट है सारा याक में तैयार होता है आपके, बर्गर से लेके चिली ड्राई से लेके
80 to 90% जो हमारा मेन्यू है वो याक।
हमें थोड़ा याक के बारे में बता सकते हैं कि याक क्या एनिमल है, कहाँ से आता है, आप कैसे उसको खुद उसको संभालते पालते हैं, या फिर आप कहीं और से लेकर आते हैं?
याक इंडिजियस जानवर है, इस वक्त बहुत कम पाया जाता है, और स्पेसिफिकली अगर पाकिस्तान की बात करें तो पाकिस्तान में स्पेशली जीबी के मुख्तलिफ कुछ स्पेसिफिक एरियाज में।
अच्छा, तो ये हाई एल्टीट्यूड
लाइक 2500 मीटर से ऊपर जना,
2500 मीटर से ऊपर
जना ये इनकी अफजाइश होती है।
अच्छा,
तो ये मीट जो है टोटली ऑर्गेनिक है। अच्छा, नहीं होती है, टोटली नेचुरल तरीके से।
ठीक, तो आज हम जो है अब कुछ ट्राई करना चाहेंगे, बट हम ऐसा कुछ चाहते हैं कि जिसमें हमें याक के मीट का अच्छा टेस्ट आए और हम एक्चुअली याक के मीट को एक्सपीरियंस करें।
स्टेक ट्राई करें।
स्टेक सही चले। Being prepared. As you can see, the yak meat is ready. The special part from the T-bone that they use to make the steak. And now he's gonna take a slice out of it for our steak. This is the head chef, like we found out before. He has worked at many high-end restaurants and hotels around the country. And well, I guess he's here where his heart took him, in his hometown, and making what he loves, using the local ingredients. Now he's seasoning the meat with some salt and some pepper. And there's our steak sizzling inside the pan. And there we can see some burgers are being prepared for some other people, and these burgers are also made from the very meat that makes up this steak. Our head chef is preparing the steak for us right now. हम उनसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे। तो सबसे ज़्यादा आप पास क्या ज़्यादा आइटम लोग पसंद करते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या चीज़ ज़्यादा चलती है?
फिलहाल तो हमारा बर्गर, स्टेक हो गया तकरीबन।
अच्छा,
जिसमें भी हमारे चिकन है, जिसमें याक चिली है, याक कढ़ाई भी।
everything is in the plate and the chef is gonna add the sauce to the steak. Wow. I can't wait. He has served it to us. Ooh. Okay, so it's time to try the food. Just look at that sauce and look at that medium rare meat served with some delicious potatoes from the fields of Hunza, some carrots and some capsicums. Now the moment of truth arrives and we are going to try it. So tender meat and well seasoned, I must say. And I can really taste the herbs of the mountains in the taste of the meat. Wow. Such juicy meat with all the wild, all the herbs and everything, all the aroma and all the flavor. Let me tell you, this is the first time I've tried yak meat and there is no other meat like it. And a big standing ovation to the chef for preparing such good meat for us with all this view, beautiful place among the mountains. Well, this meat comes from all these mountains because the yaks, they're grazed at high altitude on these mountains, and then when they are brought down here, this is what happens. This is all the meat from the mountains, all the richness, all the minerals, all the flavors from the mountains. It's something else. And the chef, for all his expertise, for all his ideas about what kind of food to make as well. So we tried the steak here at the Yak Grill in Paso. Now there's many other things that they prepare using this yak meat. For instance, they make yak karahi, they make yak burger, and they make yak chili dry. So there's many other items that they have innovated and brought onto their menu with their own experience and expertise. So I highly recommend trying this place out and trying as many of the items on their menu as much as you can. Well, first we gotta see the animal itself, and the restaurant owner told us that the animal that he uses, the meat from the animals, he brings them himself, he herds them himself and then brings them here by the restaurant. As you can see behind me, there is the yak. Wow, this is just the first time I've ever laid my eyes on a yak, and let me tell you, it's nothing less than a bison in the Americas. Wow. This animal, as you can see behind me, is very wild, so it has to be tied down. Otherwise, it's gonna give me a run for my money. And right now we can see, look at its horns. Wow. Just look at the size of that beast. It's so huge.